Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have newness from Arttitude Cosmetics. This is their Moonlight Muse palette and this is going to be dropping on January the 30th at 11 a.m. CST. This is a UK based indie makeup brand. I'm so excited I was sent this in PR. Thank you to the Arttitude Cosmetics team for thinking of me. Now let's take a peek inside this beautiful palette. Look at those shades. We're getting some purples, lavenders, a little bit of pink and brown. I kind of feel like there's maybe a little grungy vibe going on, not full on grunge, just kind of semi-grunge, and I love it. I think this is a great palette for this time of year, winter going into spring. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful shimmer shadows, some nice mattes in there. I'll be creating two looks for you guys. I do have an affiliate code in case you want to pick this palette up or other things on the Arttitude Cosmetics website. It is Steff10 and that will save you 10% off. All of these details will be in the description box, so make sure you check there. Now, let's start creating look number one. Okay guys, I have my eyes primed with the Morphe primer and now we are going to, oops, my falsies, I didn't put them away and they're stuck to the palette. Okay, so here we are, Moonlight Muse from Arttitude Cosmetics, and let's see which of the first shades that we are going to be playing with. I'm going to wear black and a little bit of green, so I know like this shade and this shade would go perfectly, even this shade down here, but I think I'm going to start with Halo. And I'm taking Halo on a rougher 15. I'm going to put this in the crease as well as right above. Now in a rougher 13, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This shade is a lot deeper than what I thought. This is already turning out to be a smoky eye. I'm going to just fling it out just a little bit. Okay, now I think we're ready for a shimmer, and I think I want to go in with this one here. So I picked up the product on my brush, Morphe M124, and I'm applying straight to the lid. I did not lay down any glitter glue or anything like that. And so far, I think it's doing a good job. Very sparkly. I think this looks really, really nice. Let's move down to the lower lash line. What do we want to do here? I think I'm going to, just to kind of break it up a little bit, I'll go in with maybe this shade right here, Nova, using my Refer 03 to apply. Now for an inner corner, I think I'm going to go with this white shimmer. Still using the Refer 03, I just picked up the product and sprayed. And we should be good with this look. Let me take care of the finishing touches off camera, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number one. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number one. I love that we have a little bit of a cool tone going on top and then a warmer shade at the bottom. And I think the gray green contrasting with the purple, I thought that was a really nice look. I didn't do any eyeliner on the top lash line. I just kind of tight lined after I had the lashes on with some black eyeliner. My lashes are from Shop Miss A in the style Alexis. Mascara I'm using is from Morphe, and for the lower waterline, it's a purple eyeliner from LA Girl. It's one of their Shockwave purple eyeliners. But I love the way this look turned out. I think so far the palette is performing really well. Let's get started with look number two. All right, so for look number two, I'm wearing the same hat that I wore yesterday because it is like right at freezing temperature right now when I'm filming this video, getting ready for work. But I'm wearing similar colors to yesterday too. I'm wearing this really cute green plaid heart moment sweater today, and just some jeans because yeah, we got to wear jeans. It's just too cold. So I think I am, oh my god, I'm trying to think, what did I do yesterday? And I know I started up here yesterday. So I am gonna do this in the crease transition color right here, and I love that we're getting a white as well. Actually, I might keep this white to the inner corner do this in the transition, and then make my way up here to these shades, this green, Calling My Name, but I'm pretty sure I used that one yesterday. This is also a pretty color as well. Let's just see. Let's see what we can create with look number 2, but I'm going to start here with Moon and then work into Stone. And I'm taking Moon on a Rephr 16. And again, just going to focus this in the inner corner. Even drag it down a bit, but just right about there. And that will serve as our inner corner highlight as well. Now on a Rephr 15, I'm going in with that lighter shade called Stone. And you'll see I'm just kind of just putting this up here towards the brow bone. It's a very light shade, forgiving shade, but also can act as a highlighting shade. Now on a Rephr 15 mini, I think I'm going to dive into Nova right here. I'm going to do Nova in the crease. Now on a Rephr 13, I'm going to go in with Void. See, I'm kind of dragging it down by the lash line. Also just focusing it on the inner corner. Outer corner. I think I said inner corner. Outer corner. I'm going to add back some of the shade Void. Okay, I think we have a really nice base. You could even leave it like this as an all matte look, but we have a lot of beautiful shimmers that I want to try out. And I think I'm just going to use my finger and I'm going to pick up Crescent. Ooh, this feels very creamy. Ooh, that's beautiful. It goes on perfect with my finger. This is a very softly pressed shadow, almost putty-like, but it is going on so beautifully. I'm going to bring back the white shadow since that is our inner corner highlight. And I'm going to go in with Nova, just right in here. Okay, good. I like the simplicity of just the one shimmer, small little area. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Eclipse using a Rephr 03. Just adding some of the white down here. And I think this look is otherwise complete. Let me go take care of finishing touches, add some falsies. I'll be right back to show you this final look number 2 with Moonlight Muse from Arttitude Cosmetics. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 2. What do you all think? I love it. This was a quick and easy look to create. And look, no glitter glue, no fallout. Loving it. The lashes and mascara are the same from the first look. And then my lip, no, not my lip. My lipstick is from e.l.f. It's one of these bullet style lipsticks. Shade is, what is the shade on this one? Effortless. And for the lower waterline, I used a ColourPop cream gel liner. Thought it was going to be pastel, you would think, but no, it turned out this color. The name of it is Spring Break. Oh, how appropriate. It is coming up. It's right around the corner. Love the way this turned out. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts on this new palette from Arttitude Cosmetics. Okay, so Miss Moonlight Muse over here. I've had a good couple days with this palette. Just exploring and trying different things. You get a full-size mirror, but I have to say that the 16 pan palette is definitely worth checking out. I love the color story. This is good. The shimmers are good, multi-chrome, duochrome, and then the mattes are very pigmented but easy to blend, and that's something that we want. This palette is going to drop on January the 30th at 11 a.m. CST. My affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off on the Arttitude Cosmetics website. Some exclusions may apply, maybe if it's like a collab palette or if it's a bundle option. Usually those things are already discounted, but for most other things, including this palette, you can use an affiliate code like mine to help you save a little bit of money. The price of the palette, I don't know that I have that. So the price of the palette is going to be £45 or translation to the US, $60, less of course a discount code. So very excited for this. I think there's also going to be some other goodies launching around the same time, but I'm definitely giving Moonlight Muse from Arttitude 2 big thumbs up. I think they did a great job. Again, thank you to the team for sending me this in PR. Now it's your turn. Let me know which look was your favorite. Did you like a look 1, look 2, none, hopefully not, or maybe you loved all of them? Sound off in the comments down below and let me know if this new one is going to be in your future. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see you soon. Bye.